Highly anticipated COVID-19 antibody testing sites are now open in the state. But what does this mean? THV 11's Vanessa Page shows us who can get tested and what a positive test means.
This location in Benton is one of the sites where antibody testing will be done. Owner of Arkansas Journey Lab, Heather Mason, says they began taking blood samples to be tested for COVID-19 antibodies Tuesday.
We're just a third-party collection site. We send the lab out, and it takes anywhere from what I was told 2 to 4 business days after they have picked up the specimen.
These specimens will be sent off to Quest Diagnostics for testing. This allows people to get their blood drawn without having to go into a doctor's office. Tests must have FDA approval, or they have to be run by a CLIA-certified lab like Quest Diagnostics.
Many of the tests out there are not of good quality and have not proven to be helpful.
This test won't tell you if you have COVID-19.
It's important to understand what that test tells, what information that gives, and not to confuse that with the PCR test.
But it can provide answers for those who have had the disease or who are wondering if they've had it.
Now, if someone came in and they said, look, I was sick last month, I never got tested, but I'd like to know whether I had COVID-19, well, an antibody test would be helpful.
Anyone who's been diagnosed with COVID-19 and has recovered can use the test to see if they have antibodies. It can also help people identify who can contribute part of their blood, which can possibly treat those who are seriously ill.
So all we need is a doctor's order or a requisition from their physician to do the testing. And if somebody actually wanted to test, they can come on in and we can make that happen as well.
People with the doctor's request and no insurance will pay $50. Those with neither will pay out-of-pocket costs.
We are going to have more information recommended by our testing advisory group that met yesterday, and we'll have some additional outline for our future in terms of testing.
Quest anticipates running 150,000 tests per day by early May. In Benton, I'm Vanessa Page, THV 11 News.
If you're considering getting an antibody test anywhere in Arkansas, be sure to check with the Department of Health to verify if the lab test is FDA approved.